Hello everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Fold this pipe cleaner, cut it and make small pieces. Here we are going to make beautiful flowers. So make the petals by rolling it and twisting like this, and then make a ring by this black pipe cleaner and paste the petals around it using hot glue. And then we're going to make the leaves by folding this green pipe cleaner, give it shape like this, and look, it is ready. After that we are going to paste all of them together and put it inside this fruit foam net cup like we're doing here. Again we're going to cover it using another pipe cleaner and it's ready. We're going to make this beautiful rose bouquet. Let's get started. So take a paper cup, cut it, then we're going to take red craft paper, cut it and put it around the paper cup one after another. Make 40 similar pieces and start the same process of putting the flowers around the paper cup base, and look, your flower is ready. We're going to cover it using tissue paper. So mark dots on it and cover it like this, and look, your rose bouquet is ready. We're going to make this sunflower. So take a yellow square paper and make mini folds. Now open it and we're going to cut from both its edges, and your sunflower petals are ready. Now cut 2 circles from red craft paper and draw the smiley face. Now roll a green paper and make a stick. After this we're going to cut leaves of the sunflower. Cut 2 such leaves and paste all of them, and it's ready. We're going to make a beautiful art using pipe cleaner. So make small pieces of pipe cleaners. Now roll a black pipe cleaner and make a circle. Now paste all of them one after another using hot glue gun, and look, your beautiful flower is ready. Now cover this stick and paste all of them together. We are also making leaves by folding this green pipe cleaner. Paste all of them and your bouquet is ready. Let's make this beautiful rose bouquet using clay. So roll a clay and make 4 pieces. After that make circles and press it. Put all of them one after another like we're doing here. Now roll it like this, and look, cut it at the center and you'll get 2 beautiful rose flowers. After this put a stick, and then we're going to cover it using tissue paper. So mark dots on it and cover it like we're doing here. Paste a bow, and look, your rose bouquet is ready. Let's make origami stars. So cut this yellow strip of paper. You can also use origami paper in place of this. Now fold all of them, wrap it again and again, put it inside and give it shape using fingers, and look, your star is ready. Make more colorful stars, and we're going to dab all of them inside this pink clay, and look, it is ready. Now we're going to cover it using this mask. Cover it like this, and look, your bouquet is ready. You can add more details like bow and it's done. Roll this red clay and make a ball. After that we're going to press it. Here we are making beautiful flowers. So make the petals. We are making 5 such petals and combine all of them together. Put some white glaze for more decoration. Roll a green stick. Same way we are making its leaves. Combine all of them together, and look, your clay bouquet flower is ready. Cut the petal of the flower using red craft paper. Now put it on the sheet of paper. Now lift it upward, and look, you'll get a 3D flower. Make multiple cut on this yellow strip of paper. Paste it at the center. Same way we are going to make the leaf using green craft paper. Fold it, and look, your bouquet is ready. So we are going to make this heart-shaped bouquet. So cover this plastic bottle using tissue paper and clay. We are going to make the heart shape by pressing this red clay. Make more such shapes and dab it inside the clay. Now we are going to cover it using mask like this, and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.